Hello students, this is Usha, your English teacher. Previous class we learned about adjectives and its types. In this session we discuss about adjective exercises. First, exercise A. Underline the appropriate adjectives in the following sentences. Underline the appropriate adjectives in the following sentences. First one, the sun is round. The sun is round. Everyone likes to sleep on a dash bed. Soft bed. What kind of a bed? Soft bed. Mummy gave me a dash chocolate. Sweet chocolate. What kind of a chocolate? Sweet chocolate. I saw some white clouds. Fifth one, the athlete was happy when he won the race. The athlete was happy when he won the race. I burnt my hand on the hot stove. I burnt my hand on the hot stove. Seventh one, grandfather bought some ripe apples for me. What kind of apple? Ripe apples. Children, eighth one, children were not allowed to go the deep end of the swimming pool. Children were not allowed to go to the deep end of the swimming pool. Next, exercise B and C is your homework. Exercise B, you want to complete the crossword with the opposite of the given adjectives. That you want to do it as your homework. Then exercise C, draw the following as specified. You want to draw one pair of blue shoes and a painted face. A painted face you want to draw in the given boxes. B and C are your homework. Next, exercise D. Identify the adjectives that cannot be used to describe the nouns given below. Cross out these adjectives. The noun is given one side. You want to find out which adjective is not suitable for that noun. The noun is given in one side. You want to adjectives are given one side. You want to find out which adjective is not suitable for that noun. It's not suitable for the given noun. You want to find out. First noun, a house. Here the adjectives are given: old, big, fat, small, new. Old house, a big house, a small house, a new house. All the adjectives are very properly suitable for that noun. Only that fat adjective, fat is not suitable for the noun house. Second one, a girl. Short adjectives are given: short, long, tall, thin, lovely. A short girl, a tall girl, a thin girl, a lovely girl. All the adjectives are suitable for the given noun girl. Only the adjective long is not suitable for the noun girl. Third one, a dog. Hairy dog, big dog, small dog, naughty dog. All the adjectives are suitable for a noun dog, except that polite adjective polite. Polite dog. It is not suitable for that noun dog. Fourth one, a book. Boring. Adjectives are boring, interesting, ill, funny, colorful. A boring book, interesting book, funny book, colorful book. All the adjectives are suitable for that noun book, except that adjective ill. Ill is not suitable for that noun. Next one, dresses. Adjectives are tight, quick, loose, white, ill-fitting. Tight dresses, loose dresses, white dresses, ill-fitting dresses, all the adjectives are very suitable for the noun dresses. Only quick is not suitable for the noun dresses. Is that clear? Next, exercise E. Filling the blanks with adjectives. Tea is hot, but ice is cold. Second one, a car has 4 wheels. Third one, a sunflower is yellow. Monday is the fourth one. Monday is the first day of the week. Fifth one, children like nutty chocolates. I hope all are understand this session. Go through the session again and again. Finish the homework. B and C. Have a nice day.